how do you do? Hello. Hello, people. Do we need that light? Hello, people. Welcome, welcome, welcome. The music is maybe louder. Make it everything should be fine. Setting up the stream, loading the project, and we will be ready to rumble. Greetings again. Greetings. So just to the last playlist was okay. The project is loaded. But we don't have the coffee and the water. I was in hurry to start the stream. Then I will bring me some drinks. I mean coffee and the water. If you don't believe me, I can show you. And in this stream sorry, just to check some of the mails. Okay. And we are here. Are we here? Yes, we are. I'm having problems with renders because I have some ambition plan. Just a second. Sorry, I should first eat, then talk. This one is control the room. I want to show the levels before and after. not here, there in our project. So I want to keep the renders and to print them. I say about some ambition plan to print some kind of a book, or rather prototype for a book, just to have something physically printed from the level design that we're making for the rest house. What I wanted, I'm looking for the render, so it's in the saved screenshots, this one. So we can combine those before and after renders. Also can post it together, and we will move on with that. I mean with the level design of the new control room level. You'll see, can show you again what I mean by that. This is what I made in previous stream, but it's really just quick sketching. I took some photos and combined them. So can also show you before and after. After, before and after. But of course in the level it will be totally different. But it's a good thing and practice for me to have a visual thing to decide how should level look like, and with that you can easily make one. What we want to listen, just a second, not post-rock, not noise, avant-garde, not so much, but we can start with it. Try with this also. So I would like this level to have some. Is there any sound? Just I didn't check it yet. Just to check the sound. But we don't have the coffee and the water. I was in a hurry to start the stream. Oh my god. How does it sound? I'm really not sure if my voice is loud enough. Probably it is, but if you think it's too low, please tell me. 1, 2, check. And I would like in this level to be as in this sketch concept. You see a lot of green, like wood, also some scenography like stage kind of platform, and of course there is a house like gathering point. Not sure exactly what will you do there, but there are few things here in this level. Hope interesting one. There, as you can see, healing and pain volumes, some interaction doors, some rain that we all did it for this level exclusively. Also there is like sun sun watch, or how to call it. Sun clock, and we call it like that. Because there's some unique time in this level, so in the particular time you can grab this key and open the door. Also the moon, which is rotating, is there, and the turbines, which I would like it to be some kind of windmills. I would like it to be the old ones, because with the old look models there is already some history and pattern. You can feel already the atmosphere in that kind of older objects. So we need to build much more, of course, like rows to separate also this level in the few parts, and to connect that gameplay usability and options. So, as I said, a lot to cover and to build. So we should start from thinking about this foliage system. I didn't use it much, but I'm afraid I really want this level to be optimized enough, so I don't want to add too much in it. Also, what I'm looking for, to build some kind of paper like actors to pop up, cut out like people cut out from paper. Cut out people. I would like them to be the older ones, some not people, but stylized characters. Of course, we can look at some how they did it in BioShock. Murder of crows. But I mean in-game. In-game characters. They are pop-up. You know, when you're walking and some character pop up to you, but stylized ones. We can easily make them, but we must have something to start with, some character, like old poster. Mickey Mouse. To bring house. Mickey Mouse is in the house and Pinocchio. Vintage, like vintage characters. Character figures. And like that also we will need trees and will be interesting to put all of that in the level. You should think twice before start it, for sure, because it's a lot of work and we don't have too much time, so must think before we decide. And before that, I think I need to make the coffee. I will play the video from the game. You probably saw, but before the next one, we should think what we should improve, like text, and because there is of course the story which I'm thinking a lot about when I'm thinking about the game and the level, so we should mention some of the story, and there are few lines or few ways where this story is going, and the one will be the exact one. I mean, there is a novel Don Quixote, which is also part of this story, and there are few shorter ones, so they are going together and they're forming the new story about the rest house, about the fisherman island, which is there for a long time, and you need to discover the history of that place. Yeah, maybe with that we should apply some of the photos, to scan some of the photos and to put in the level, maybe, and I will think about that in next few minutes, just to make it coffee. You can also comment and ask what are you interested in, or share some of your thoughts or your works. So I will turn down the music from the trailer. Probably I should turn down the mic. We're back. So our goal is, of course, to make an interesting level and to render it out, and to, from those renders, we will make also the movie, the same name movie. Some collision problems here. Probably move this tree to the foliage because it's easier to render. And of course, one of the main things is to keep the energy and to work on the project, which is a little bit hard after 1 year, but if you don't like it, you don't do it. So simple. You cannot doing if you don't like it, so we must sorry, because I'm eating. I wanted to say that we must find a way to make it more interesting for us when we are working on the project. So I'm constantly trying and finding the ways to make the design more interesting for me, and hopefully it will be interesting for the player, viewer, or anybody who is looking at this or a final product, so it will make the product better. And I'm choosing the ways for that and following my what I'm interested in that moment when I'm making this game. So now I'm thinking about to go back to the particle rain system. Because we always have that big picture in the mind. If we go to the details, it will be hard to get back. No, I added all this little grass and now it's hard. I can just delete it, but you know, it's hard to undo some things, harder than it looks. But That's the way of the process, and you learn it in that process of time. So just to check something, I will need one thing, 1 minute. I would like also to play with miniatures. I have some models that I need to do, I mean the real miniatures, and make also some, but I cannot do that here, so I'm waiting to finish my studio and probably will do that there. So as I probably mentioned or know in this stream, but there is a night and day cycle in this level. So it would be better if we have some low poly trees here, or even better to place some like planes with drawings of some kind of like theater backgrounds. No, when I say that, I mean I will show you just to save this. Old Asian man. Good one. Probably we won't need it. This is the good one. Cheese man. Just taking a random images. They should give us some inspiration, because I'm thinking about a lot about the level, and this game we have a lot of ideas, but you need constantly look at some other stuff and picking for because it's really hard and no point to start from scratch with something. With some things you must, but when you're drawing you have the model in front of you, so take some things like models. I think it's okay. Bambi. What I needed is like backgrounds, but I mean in like in Bioshock, in some of the levels. Sorry. I don't know which level is that. I think not the Fleet Hall, but Ryan Amusement. I also want to I install, and I'm mentioning all the time that I have Windows 10 near me, but I need to install on other programs, so I didn't install the main one, the few main that I need for the stream, and I think in the next days will do so it will be probably easier to stream with that, because of the Unreal will be more not responsive, but we can do more, I think, with Windows 10 at SSD than like this. And we need Ryan Amusement. I must say that after few years I'm still amazed how they did all that things around and in this game. Also reading the book and have one from the like how to play books in front of me, because I'm amazed like with the design, and when I'm creating the game think a lot about it. And now I wanted to make like this kind of models or scenes, like 3D miniatures, you know. 3D miniatures. What we will got if we say 3D miniatures. What? 46 minutes and nothing. What we did for 46 minutes? Nothing. And that's how it's going to be when you're dealing with development. Few hours of nothing and then half hour of everything. Because you need that vibe which will bring you to the creation process. It needs time. I'm talking to myself that, because now I need time to got in that mood, because there is too much to do here. But I think with those kind of like plates it will be easier, faster also, because you see how much details we got here with just one plane, and it's we need that now. We don't need this. You see, just to check something, you see how much time just little details can take, and imagine that you must make all of that. So efficiency is also one of the crucial things. Now I want to bring back the two-side model here, blind mode, like this. And now when you play it, you will not see through. And also you put the point light inside. I'm not sure. Okay, got something. It's not flat, you see. Okay. Also those little things like this plank can give more realistic feel to the level. Unperfection, I can say for that. And get back to the yeah, but we started with the rain and then lose ourselves in again back. You see, we're going forward. That's how it's going. You think about one thing, then other, then get back to the first one, and at the end you stick with some and take it and make something from that one image, one idea, because it's also hard to describe because we can feel it, but it's so organic process that it's not easy to describe the process of creation. A lot of in it is in the subconscious, so I must say that I'm talking about my process of creation, but it's also based on the other ones that I learned from and learning constantly. Game Creator Store. What is this? Game Creator Store. This looks nice. These kind of elements I would like in the game. So yeah, get back to the paper, to the drawing board. It's much faster than start making the 3D model, and you cannot go back when you start that. If you jump from one process to another, you cannot. It's really hard to go back. I mean, if you start immediately in the editor or in the 3D or in the game engine, no way that you will go back to the paper for that object that you started to build. You can start another one, but that's the difference between the good and pretty looking game level, as you can see in the art, and the rest of us which is playing around with more or less good things. But yeah, those are much bigger projects. What are we looking for? We're looking for inspiration. We need those kind of characters here. it's easiest to take snapshot and then go to the Photoshop. Start from there. And what about the rain? A rain thing, we didn't finish that yet. There are also flowers, which is, you see the rain. The flowers are changing with time and day. You see, now it's night, they are closed. The seconds are passing, they're opening because it's day. They finished, and the day is finished, and the clock, the light should be turned off. There is a clock there. Say it's about 10 and the lights are off. Okay, it's working. Somehow. Yeah, right. So sorry for this, but I will take. Yeah. We need one more thing to translate this house in the other level. Okay, we will first do the rain, then we can change that. Need ripple effect, water ripple effect. Let's try to find them. These are droplets. Sorry. This is the fog. This is the rain. No ripples, like splashes. Splashes. You should add like rain here. Okay. Splash. Is that the right word? Let's try to find the sound of the rain. So audio. No. Come on, I'm sleepy, that's what is bothering me. Lazy and sleepy. We need to find the rain. Come on, come on. Come on. Music, coffee. Cheers. Or we will sleep here. And that's not allowed. As I think not allowed to sleep in the stream. There's always that funny story that I'm talking for, I don't know how many times I talked about that, when about the streamer who slept when he was playing a Zelda. There is also the video, if somebody is interesting, I can share. You probably saw that already. And of course that I forgot what I'm looking for. And it was the sound, yeah, of the rain. Sounds are somewhere here in the music. And here. Come on. Should I say thank you for watching? But you probably know that I'm so thankful to you that you're here stopping by at the streams and watching me struggles with the rest house. Rain Python, where is it from? I want to see it. What is it? Rain Python, wow! Rainbow colors. What is it? I saw some MP3s down there. Thunder roll, thunder, thunder. Thunder, thunder, thunder. Rain, rain, rain. Okay. Let's try again. Music. G, music. Rain. Give us the rain. Oh, the buses are. Aha, rain. Interesting. Heavy. Raindrops. Let's take this one and we will find more. Frankenstein Castle, rain. Wow. Central Africa. Crickets. Heavy rain. Thunderstorm. Thunder. Rain on tent. Thunder, thunder, rain on foliage. That's it. That's what we need probably. I like this too also. Rain on iron. This is good also, but not so. So we should decide. They're too big files. This is good. And is there water in the scene maybe, or like drip. Yeah. What if we say like this? Let's see. I'm satisfied. Should loop probably. This one. So there is no need for new. For new water for now in the level. But we will duplicate it. Change it and make it loop. Looping. Let's hear. Hey, Finn. Yeah. So you found me at live coding. Great, great. Thanks. Thank you. So nice. Thank you for again for stopping by and find me at the other streaming platform, Finn. Thanks. From Twitter, so Twitter could be useful. Thanks. Because I got a problem with Twitter, all the messages, you know, are the same, but if you found me, that's good. Yeah, we are trying to make interesting level, so every other is every next level is better. I want to finish this rain thing, and then we will move on So again, thank you Finn for the support, and thank you all for watching again, stopping by. What can I say? Try to enjoy. Also, for those who don't know, you can try, there is a free pre-alpha of the game. It can be played, download and played. For it there is a PC version, also HTML5 version, which is platform independent. So we are trying to find ripples. Oh, wow. Thanks for the follow. Hilvi, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the rest house. So the Hilvi is our I want to mention that, but so our welcome to our new friend, and welcome again all of you. I wanted to see no problem, I should probably pop up the chat so we can see each other comments on the other platforms. So for this level we will need some time, but I'm glad that we're on the right track, I think, because in the last few months I was learning and making the multiplayer version, and now we're back at the single player. But I wanted to say that I'm feeling more at home here, because like level design or environment design is something that I know better, I can say. And I wanted to see glue it software. As you can see, this game is inspired by the BioShock also. do it. Want the ripples to apply them in the level. Hey, Hilvi. This game is about few different stories. Just to turn down the music a little bit, and just a second. So there are five different stories and more than that, which I'm trying to connect, and I can paste the link from just to see. I should make it info, yeah. So it's based on the few also well-known novels, but these are some of the descriptions. There are currently 5 stories, 5 levels. You are the main character, which is coming to the house of his friend, which invite him to come because he's ill, and you're in the role of the main character. You need to discover the story about Rest House. It's like a puzzle kind of game, but with multiplayer options. There are some also shooting options, but the game is in pre-alpha phase, so we are developing the game and the story also with it. So it is changing. I have I must say many stories that I'm combining, but it's also based and on the same name feature movie. And when you finish there are currently 5 levels. This is the 6th one. When you finish the level, there are short movies which is describing the stories, or that one of the 5 stories after each level. There's a short movie about it. So and of course there is the feature one movie, which is the combine all of the stories, and it's the same name called Rest House. So there in that movie the story is described more, but even in the movie there are like a puzzle story, because it's the movie is also combined from the 5 parts, like so you must think about what was at the end, what was at the beginning, and combine those things. and the last story in that movie is about the, I can say, the real rest house, or the house that you can see here, which is based on the real life model. There isn't that model anymore, but a year or two before, when I was shooting there. So 2 stories in the movie are shooted in that rest house. So, and there is also, as I said, the novel Don Quixote, which is adventure, and I'm put some of the references also from that novel, so there's mashup of all kind of different styles and stories, but I'm working on to combine them in the one, not the linear story, because I want it to be like if not all 5 ways of ending. There will be few. It will be open-ended type of game. So we are So again, if you need to know more, just ask. I'm here to answer. I don't want to talk and spoil too much about, because I really work. It will be a long time on this. In previous few years, I was developing the movie, and then before now I started with the game. So but story is also in developing. So it is story about the mystery house, but it's puzzle adventure in the fantasy world, which is laid at the ground. So it's not there are real life references. You see like real foliage, rain, and houses, trees, but it's surreal world. So it's about adventure in surreal world, puzzle adventure in surreal world. I should write that down, because many people, are asking what is it about. So as I said, how did I say that? Puzzle adventure, surreal world. It's not enough. Hey Finn, you're asking, is this a horror game? It's difficult for me to answer. A lot of people also ask us that. In some way it is, in other I don't want it to be, because I want it to be horror in the sense that there is some some weird atmosphere, like with dark and muddy place, as it can be. Like, we are afraid of the unknown, so in that sense it is, but I don't want to be with blood and shooting, and so I want to be played for all kind of players. So yes and no. There's some creepy atmosphere, but nothing more and less. The sounds but I like to say it's peaceful and calm place. Just in the moment some weird thing pop up. So there is something for everybody. It's based on the Bioshock, so if Bioshock is horror, this can be also. But I don't want to compare them, because we're losing the point then. It's also story-based game, so. And for those who are interested, can also see the trailer, which can describe describe the atmosphere of the game. Or the game itself can be played for free, because it's, as I said, the pre-alpha phase. So I think that with this version there will be the one version which is the new, so all the new versions will be not for free. Sometimes it will be like symbolic €1 or some kind of that symbolic price, and with that you will get the last version with the new improvements and levels. But in the free pre-alpha version you can see a lot about what I try to talk you about. So now I'm trying to build the ripples. This is the moon, which we will need to figure it out what it will be. Maybe some talking heads, maybe, I don't know. I don't know yet. Just to see, can we light it up? We'll put it somewhere. Maybe in the middle? No. A lot to do in the level. It's so flat, but strong accent. Yeah, probably from Serbia, Balkan. So what I should say, Eastern Europe, or can I ask you where are you from, Helvi? That's far from where? Probably I shouldn't guess, but aha, from Latvia. Yeah. Probably. From Lithuania. From Latvia, oh sorry. Yeah. It's far away, but depend with what you're comparing. It's the same like continent. So nice to see that you're, I think, the first from there. They're watching here. We also say Lithuania. Do you have that do you say something like that for Latvia, Lithuania, or it's just our word here for your country? I must say that I don't know much about Lithuania. I know some people from there, but I must inform myself about your country. It's more like in English. So in Roman languages it's Lithuania. Letland. Yeah, nice country. And hey, Finn, you said you're from Netherlands. Great. No problem. Thank you for stopping by. So here some bugs are flying here. Flies. We are finishing those ripples. We want now ripple texture, to make a ripple texture. Thanks, Kelby. Yeah, it was a much bigger channel, but they're connected with the creative, so but I got back and put the game development in, so it's good thing that I did that. But yeah, now there are also few streamers there. Small community, but interesting one. Yeah, interesting channel. I like to watch it also. My mic is usually off and I'm just in chat answering, but this is one of those streams when I'm also talking, so you're all lucky that they're watching now. I can say. Yeah, small communities can be interesting, but also depends what are you thinking on. But here, yeah, I'm thinking about to make a new material or to implement or to work on the some that is already done. This is the grass material. This is quite bigger. How it's look like if we change it here? Oh no, it will kill us. Yeah, that was a better one. So we will make a new material. We will make like a platform material. Like, we can take, let's say this one. Come on. Sorry about because of those drops. The shader are compiling down there. We should wait it. And just to fix that chat window. Sorry for that. We should probably change the music. Not that. Let's try something different. Oh no, these are some experimental. Maybe this one. So we need a platform for the ripples. This is the rust metal. And we will change it, but we'll make the new one, duplicate it and make rust ripples. Rust 2 ripples. So whoa, 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 whoa. I hear something, but maybe that was a new follow, not sure. Hey Finn, you say need to go, maybe coming back later, maybe not. It was nice stream. Have fun with the stream and be happy with your game. Yeah, thank you Finn, I will be. I'm happy with you viewers. And yeah, we are streaming now. Probably we'll stream later, but there will be a break between those streams. So thank you, and thank for the follow also. If there was something I think I hear, but something is not functioning here. We're here in the Rust level, in the Rust material. And we want to find those ripples to take their normals. Come on, come on, come on. Right click. Hope that when I finish installment of the programs to Windows that it will be faster. But till then we're struggling here at Windows 8, and also I installed there the new version of Unreal here also, but didn't move the project yet, so it all needs time, but it's more important for me to stream than to install those programs, so that's why I'm still here in Win8. You haven't worked, Helvi? It's nice and easy to start with program. Yeah, maybe Windows 8, but I like it till now. Yeah, I don't know. It was doing me okay, I think. Yeah, they say, a lot of people say that it's not the good one. I don't know. So we took this texture, and as I said, it's easy to start with program Unreal. And we have those ripples normals. And want to bring the water ripple, this texture also. The startup speed of the Windows 8, yeah, but the startup of the Win 10 is much better and faster. Or you mean that one? need flipbook, and that will allow us to bring in the sequence of images. I use still with Win 7. That's a good point. Yeah, you will take out the maximum of that. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I have on my second machine also the Win 7. Here Win 8, and I will. And on the near SSD I installed the Windows 10, so it's best to combine them. So we want to take this flipbook and plug them in the UV slot. We should create a constant. We can create it by what? The letter C? Yeah, it's not the C. Okay, then right click and type down the constant. And we want to value to be like 4. Come on. So we need the time node. The shaders are still compiling. We need the time node and also the fraction node. Just a second. You don't like Windows 8 GUI and it has some problems with some games, yeah. Didn't. No. Yeah, the startup speed is good, but Windows 10 is starting few times faster, even faster from the Windows 8. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I'm thinking why I need to go to Windows 10 if it's working here, but I was waiting for something to crash, so this Windows is popping me some messages, like it's informing me that is the time, because I got problems with memories, with memory, with memory. So I will try with Windows 10. We'll see. People say that it was time few months ago, so probably it's stable enough now. And we need the fraction node. Yeah. I wanted some even faster music. Just trying to find. I forgot the name. Forgot the name of that band. So we'll connect here the time to our fraction, and we need to multiply. Just hit M and no M and click. Okay, connect this in A. Yeah, I found them. Let's here. You ask Helvi if I need to write any scripts. No, you don't need. There is. You don't need to write if you don't want or don't know or don't like. even one line of code, because they did it like all like this with node based. This is material editor, but also the blueprint editor is really simple, and as I like to say, it's made for us, or the people who like more the visual way of scripting, or rather say don't know to code, so you can connect those nodes. It's like how, and there are documentations, and yeah, it's easy, yeah, but there is a catch, you know. You need time to develop and it's easier to start, but there are more difficult things at the end. When you finish the game, it's hard to sell it, because the market is too crowded, too many games, too many developers. But it's the nice, because you can start immediately, it's free, everything is there, and that's the beauty, yeah. So, and this is the smaller script. If I show you the larger one, like from the character, for one of my character, it's much bigger, and it's all C++. If I just say Control A in copy and open in the, or paste it in the notepad, look what will happen. The code. So that's it. See, that's what you are doing here. And I also collapse some of the nodes, so in this, like, no, there is new one, so never ended story. Just connecting and playing like with Lego bricks, I like to say also. Yeah, market is the hardest now, because a lot are trying to sell their games, yeah. Auto-generated code, yeah, it's messy, yeah. I should collapse some of the nodes and delete some others, but don't have time, or I'm lazy for that. But it's colorful. constant node. Or we can copy with Ctrl W. And change it to 1. Put it as animation phase. Need to grab it down. We need two more multiplies. So MW double times. We need one more constant. Here 500. 500 to make it stronger. Put it here. Yeah, but I wanted some other music. Maybe we'll find it. And we will connect this multiply with this specular. Or this one. Yesterday there was a good music and I cannot find it. Maybe some previous pages. Yeah, Helvi, it's really more interesting because it just, but they made it to look like that. It's still the coding, but it's for they say like for the artists, but today artists should be also coders, but never mind. It's easier for us because when you want to write the shaders, it's totally different way, and you need so much time for that, so it's much faster and easier like this. I'm constantly trying to find that music that I like. Techno. Okay, that's what I wanted. Come on, party people. So this is Synapsis 81 Armageddon, the name of the album. We should write it down for other streams. Thank you, Helvi. And we want to connect that in our specular. So but in specular let's see here, you see it's alpha here in specular. Not sure how it will go with alpha. We can try. First we will check this, and then we will also do it for normal. Those three nodes we will Control V, duplicate it, move it here. I don't see the specular. Yeah, because because it's rusty. say connect it with this. It's not the best example. You should probably take the other material. You can do it later. A. Put it here, and then we can change it to here. We'll wait it to see. You see, it's weird because we took the wrong material, the rust. How to change rust. And we wanted to put it in metallic, and you see, okay. So Unreal is the material editor, and you know the materials are also great here. In roughness. Let's take a water. Cheers. Apply this now. Okay, shall we you will be going. See you and have fun with game. Thanks really for stopping by, for follow and for commenting. Cheers, have a great time, great day and night, and hope to see you somewhere here. Cheers, thanks again. Thank you all that are watching and following, and you're helping me a lot with this, with that, and I'm really happy because of this channel and development process. So if we change this platform material, metal rust, I still compiling. It will hurt. And new follower at the live coding. Finn follow us. Thank you, Finn. So we save it and we find it here and change it. Specular. If we say like this, change it. Yeah. We need to apply this with the water pedals. and we want to our rain to make it bigger. Just to finish building this material, then we'll take our see. We need to change it maybe to 600. Here. Oh, come on. Fire. We say 60, 100. A lifetime. To write down those parameters, or we can combine. Just to see. Lifetime. What I did change, if not this? Oh. Now the screw. Why? Why? change something to 1600. Don't know what it was. Constant drag. Lifetime. Okay. Oh, I screw up. I have it. I copied somewhere. It's down there. But why? It's all around. And it's like okay, so we will rain begin large. We'll duplicate it. This will be it. So it will be so here it is. Update. Update was the problem. Update. And on can be 10,000, I think. And okay, this is the second one. Oh, repos. Here. minor collisions. Lamp. Take the lamp. Make it brighter. Value. There are any ripples here. We need more dense object. Just a second. Napred. So I must say that stream will end for now. There will be a break, and after probably we'll streaming in about an hour in the regular stream time. So see you then. Thank you for watching, following, and hope we will see here in about an hour. So stay tuned and peace. What can I say? Thanks. Cheers. See you later.